John Kavakis here with a very special edition of My Take. I just recently released a video about Stamp's spectacular 1962 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. You've probably seen that. It's available in 3 different colors. I'll show them to you. But today I want to tell you about a very special edition and a very special color. They're only making 38, and I'm going to tell you how to get one. If you've been watching the channel, you know about Dave Gilbert, the toy car geek. Dave has a beautiful brick and mortar facility down in Nashville, fully stocked with a variety of different models, a variety of different scales. We got a chance to spend some time with him. I'll give you the link to that video if you'd like to see it, find out what a great guy Dave is. Well, Dave is a huge stamp dealer. Well, he's not just a dealer, he's a big fan. He's about as excited with Stamp's 1/18 62 Cadillac Sedan DeVilles as we are. You've seen the video on that. If you haven't, I'll put that up here as well. But Stamp has made available to Dave only, to Toy Car Geek only, 38 models in Maize. Now, Maize was one of those colors from the early 60s. It was kind of pastel. I'm not sure Ditzler does it justice here because it's a little bit lighter than this. It's really, really a nice color. And of course, this model will have all of the detail the other 1/18s have. The beautiful trim, the incredibly lustrous, stunning finish, the body colored wheel covers, that beautiful interior. It's all going to be right there in the model, and they're only making 38 of them. I don't have a full review for you. There's not going to be time for that, but I do have pictures of the model that I'm going to show you from a couple of different angles. I'm going to suggest that if you want one of these, you get in touch with Dave right away. I'll give you all the information after we take a look at the model. So there it is, 38 of Stamp's 1962 Cadillac Sedan DeVille in Maize. Limited production. Make that 37 because I'm going to get one. I've got to tell you something. One of my motivations is limited production, exclusivity. And I've got to have this on my shelf. Now you can contact Dave at toycargeek.com, or you can email him directly at dave@toycargeek.com. You can visit his showroom, but you got to do it by appointment. You don't have regular business hours. The model is going to sell for $300, $299 plus shipping. But you're going to want to get your order in early. They're going to go quickly. Stamp's 1/18 models sell out very quickly. Hey, hope you liked the video. Give me a like in the bottom right-hand corner. Love to have you as a subscriber. We'll be back again soon.